started. We have Capricciosa. Break quickly at the start. Tempest moving upon the outside. Formidable Ella. Nice and easy. Kaimaki. Sweet Talk. Then followed over by Tucker Pride. Down on the inside comes entry number 3, Micaela's Music. Alongside comes entry number 8, Burst of Speed. And going along for the first turn, we have Capricciosa by our length and a half. Tempest in second. Formidable Ella comes next. Nice and easy. Tucker Pride. Kaimaki. Next on Lenny's Micaela's Music. Sweet Talk. Dynamic Duo. Burst of Speed. Down on the inside is Lord Bonnie. Ninjitsu Racing second last. While entry number 7, Magic Thunder, is the early trailer. And at the far turn, we have Capricciosa maintaining a length and a half lead. Formidable Ella in second. Nice and easy. Moving upon the outside now is Dynamic Duo. In the middle portion comes Kaimaki. And Diana Wen entering the home stretch. We have Capricciosa. Down on the inside comes Formidable Ella. Capricciosa maintaining a length and a half lead. Moving upon the outside is Formidable Ella with about 100 meters up. That is Capricciosa. Formidable Ella. Dynamic goes on the outside. Capricciosa. Dynamic Duo on the outside. And finally, it's a close finish between Dynamic Duo. Capricciosa, Lord Body.
Yun nga po, ang pagtatapos ng ating ikawalong karera.
Wala tayong photo.
Wala tayong nadinig, no?
So, 10, 4, 1, 9, 3, 11.
129.8 ang naitalang preba over 1,400 meters with splits of 12.5, 24.5, another 24.5, and finishing at 28.
That's Dunay Raquel. 10, 4, 1, 9, 3, 11. Unofficial placings for race number 8.
The ISOCAM Shop is brought to you by the 2008 Magic Millions National Sale at the Gold Coast.
Dynamic Duo, yan ang magandang matutukan doon sa ating ISOCAM shot. Na at this point, kala natin nga para kay Capricciosa na itong kareran to, pero hindi.
Malayo pa pala, panlima pa doon sa
Umangat
likuan,
pa
no?
Umangat pa rin sa pagitan ni Sweet Talk at saka ni Kaimaki. Nung may angat ni Dunay, dire-diretso.
Kaya ating cameraman, binaling na dito kay Capricciosa yung kuha.
Sakto.
This portion is brought to you by the 2008 Magic Millions National Sale at the Gold Coast.
Siyempre pa, pagka ganyang kadikit ng mga datingan, kailangan bigyan natin ng slow-mo yan.
This slow-mo replay is brought to you by Catialis Ointment and Medicated Soap. Para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Catialis.
Eto na, Capricciosa pa rin. Pero eto na yung Dynamic Duo. Ang laki, ang lakas. Sakto.